What's up, online shoppers? Are you a traveler and you want to make packing a lot easier? I'm going on a trip and I want to have an easier time packing. So I've done my research and these compression packing cubes are going to be my solution for easy breezy packing, traveling, and keeping my suitcase completely organized. Now I ordered these because I wanted to be able to maximize the space in my luggage. Now first of all, this here is an 8-piece compression set. 8 pieces is really good for a nice big luggage because it will allow you to get everything all organized. Let's open up the box. Here's everything coming out of the box. All of these are little zip compartments that you can use to organize all the clothes in your luggage. They come with zippers all the way around, like this, 3/4 of the way zipped. All you have to do is open that up. First thing out of the box are these really cool little cards. I'm gonna stretch them out for you to see. On here is the nameplate, and on this side is a checklist, so you can put all the different things that you have. Everything from underwear, socks, swimsuits, coats, jackets, and rainwear. It definitely helps you to stay organized, so you know what's in each one of these cubes. So this is an 8-piece set. You get a bunch of different sizes. You get some smaller sizes like this, which would work really well for things like underwear and socks. Some drawstring bags that are a little bit larger, and they have a really nice pull closure on it, so that all you have to do once you've got everything in is just pull it up nice and tight. You could even knot it if you wanted to make sure it didn't pop open. So this is a great size bag for swimsuits or anything else like that. Here's another really cool zippered bag, a little bit bigger, and you can see right here is where you would slide your label so that you could see what was in here without having to open it up. You get a couple other small compression cubes like this, and they have handles, which is also super convenient because you can strap them in place, or you can take them out and hang them afterwards when you need to. And you also get a couple larger packages. Now the nice thing about these is the zippers go 3/4 of the way around, so you can open this right up like this, put your materials inside, fold them up nice and tight, and when you get them zippered up, you can actually put a lot of pressure on them and push out all the excess air so that you can put a lot more in your suitcase. Here's another larger cube like this. This would work really well for jackets, for pants, for rainwear. And then of course you've got this one. So this is like a medium-sized cube. You get 2 of the larger size cubes. You get 2 of the small size, 2 of the extra small size, and then you get this really nice drawstring bag as well. Now I picked a classic black, but the other great thing about this company is they give you lots of color choices. There are 12 different color choices that you can choose from for these bags. So you can also find one that fits your personality, or you can color code your families. Especially if you're packing in a big suitcase, you could do green for one child, blue for another one, maybe a really cool colorful design for yourself. They have some that kind of remind me of sunsets, which definitely goes well with vacation travel feels. The material is like an extra strong satin twill, and it's gonna wash really nice as well. Now the load capacity for this is about 5 pounds per bag. And let's take a close look here at the construction. When you open up these little containers, you can see how nicely stitched everything is. All of the edges actually have a taped seam so that you don't have any raw edges exposed that are going to fray and have your bag fall apart. I think the construction of these is really nice. The material feels nice. I love the comfortable little pull on the zipper. I think that's pretty awesome too. And they zip really nice and smooth. As well, I love that all of the bags have a handle of some sort. This one has a little handle like this one. You've got your drawstring bag here, and the larger bags have the handle at the top. And you get a big package of labels so that you can label all of these and know what's in the bag without actually having to open it. I think this is going to be a game changer for me for packing, and I really love that I'll be able to have stuff organized in my suitcase at a quick glance, know what's inside the bag, and it makes it a lot easier when you're packing and unpacking to just be able to grab your socks, grab your underwear, grab your bathing suits, and have everything at your fingertips like that. I am definitely impressed with these packing cubes by Well Traveled, and I can certainly see these being a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.